Hi everyone, this is Greta Brent and welcome to our channel. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Good morning guys, or good afternoon, perhaps good evening, wherever you're watching this video from. Welcome to this new video. Today we're going to take you to the Okanagan. We went to go visit the wine country out here in BC, and we'll take you there. And of course, forgot to include this video clip of us visiting this new restaurant that just opened up in our neighborhood. It's a Turkish restaurant. We've never been to Turkey. That is in our one of our bucket list places to visit someday. Yeah, so we just finished up setting up our rooftop, our new patio furniture, put everything back, the tiles, the tables, and also our plants and our garden. So now we're going to show you, we've set up everything, and also I will show you the tablescape that I put together for the outdoor patio. That's coming right up. And what else? Oh yeah, and we went to a baseball game as well this past weekend. It was really a beautiful day. I haven't been to a baseball game in a long time. I used to go quite often back when I was living in San Francisco. Of course, the San Francisco Giants is a fan favorite of mine. That's my team. But anyway, so we just went to go see a baseball game this weekend. That was really awesome. We also went to my company's our summer outing, our summer event. We went to go to a winery, one that we visited previously, I think about 2 years ago or 1 year ago. So we went to go do that. Spouses, children are invited, so I ended up inviting Brent this time around. He's always complaining, how come you never invite spouses, or you never get to have +1 in your company's event, and so forth and so on. So this time he got to come to our company's summer event. So we had barbecue, some games, wine, tasting of some wine, and he also had some I guess some cider that they're offering. And we ended up actually going blueberry picking for free at this winery. They also have like a blueberry farm out in the back, so we went ahead and did that. Yeah, so probably going to be making a lot of smoothies, maybe some blueberry muffin. Brent's going to make a blueberry cider for the ones he got, so we'll stay tuned for that. I'll make a video clip of that as soon as he starts getting all his, prepping up his equipment and getting all of his ingredients together. So we'll show you that. And yeah, so without further ado, let's go ahead and start this video. So you may have remembered last time I changed up my curtains. I got this curtain from Amazon, like oatmeal color from Amazon. I'll link the description in the box below if you're interested. There you go. So I have 2 drapes here, and then I'm gonna put that in front of the white sheer that I got from IKEA. But it's now time to revamp our bathroom. This paint here on the wall, it's been here for about 10 years now since we bought this place. So I think it's high time we do a little bit of decorating, just kind of freshen it up with a new paint. Maybe add a few touches here and there. I purchased some items at HOMESENSE and we'll see how it turns out at the end. So I'm just going to go ahead and paint this bathroom, and I'm also going to change up the shower curtain here, so that everything looks a little bit nicer. And I'm doing this on a budget, so I'm calculating the costs and the materials that I've used in remodeling this bathroom.
because Middle England there. Oh, okay. Hey you. Yum yum yum.
These blueberries are so fresh and so good, and we ended up bringing home 2 bags of these blueberries.
That's good. Just have some more control over what you want to do.
Okay, so I'm just gonna get back to work painting the bathroom walls. I'm trying to get rid of the stenciling that I did during the pandemic. I was bored. I wanted to try my hands on stenciling. I thought it'd be interesting, so that's what I did. But now I'm kind of tired of that look, and so I wanted to change it up a bit. So far this is how it looks. I'm going to continue painting. I'm going to put on a second coat, and then I'm going to start decorating. I won't reveal the bathroom yet because I still need to decide on the paint color for the sink base cabinet. And I also wanted to change the bathroom tile. I'm interested in maybe adding a herringbone or a chevron style flooring, and I saw something in Home Depot that I am interested in, that I'm inspired to kind of mimic. And I can't seem to decide which shower curtains I should put up, this one or this one. And I was hoping you guys can help me decide which one would look better.
It's a massive breakfast calling at IKEA. These people are lined up outside.
Yeah. But it's cheap breakfast, eh? This is deluxe.
It's deluxe. $6 whole.
Woohoo! Yeah. Big spender. Nice. Will that come in here?
Take your time, fall in line someday. It's hard to win.
Look good in this kitchen.
Learn how to cook.
Yeah.
I can cook, sort of.
Wow. I love this. Look at this farm. What do you call this? Farm sink?
Base.
Farm skirt sink.
Something. We're on it too.
Deluxe? No, it's not.
Oh, okay. You like that? Here for a little while?
I know blue is one of the options.
Here. It's really nice. You and I are actually in agreement.
Yeah, I know. This. Oh, $7.50. What is this? Well, it looks like this, but it's a bar set.
Like I said, when I searched online, I couldn't find anything.
Yeah.
Just some near match. So maybe those displays are just out of stock.
Maybe.
Here we go.
Black. Yep.
That looks nice. And that is
very
also
slick.
25,000 hours life.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
200. I like that.
There's a black one up here.
And then you can put stuff here too.
Yeah. Like gloves.
Yeah, gloves,
Boots.
keys right here. Nice. I like the color too. Can you buy the paint for this?
I don't like the hardware, but the color's nice.
Yeah, the color's nice. Take this one. Ching ching. All right. Let's have our own lamp. Okay, so can't see the sign, but
Oh, they're doing the alcohol thing.
how do you pronounce that? We need to know how to pronounce that. Turkish. What do you think? What do you think of this place finally open?
I like it. The
Yeah.
first impression is really good.
Yeah, it's nice.
Nice styling.
I like it.
Looks like a lot of happy people sitting and eating. That's always a good sign.
Enjoying their meal.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the place behind you, Brett. So this restaurant has a lot of array of dishes to choose from. I ended up ordering the Adana kebab, which is a minced lamb with red peppers and spices, served with some rice, pita bread, grilled tomatoes and peppers, and a fresh cabbage salad. Oh, I missed it.
You want to do that?
20?
20 is. You can do it, Pop. We did it on our 10th. You can do it.
What is that one? The eggplant?
Yeah, no, that one's is tomato and pepper paste with walnuts and garlic.
Oh, okay.
I assume I just kind of put it on there. I don't know.
If I'm trying to do a tablescape, my first stop, of course, is HomeSense. By the way, if you're looking to find affordable, good quality items and those unique pieces for your home, this is the best place to go. So let's see what HomeSense has this week. So I'm here on the last weekend of July, and usually around this time, the stores already have most or some fall items on displays. Let's check them out. The first thing that caught my eye is this serving bowl. It's got sort of like hammered look gold serving bowl with like little florets on the side. And this plate, I don't know if you remember, I did a tablescape using those white plates with ribbons on it. And this one reminds me of the collection from Lenox. I'm not sure if they are still available or if they've discontinued them, but a few years ago I remember seeing this collection, this creamy ivory color with a swirl pattern on the rim with gold edge trim. I've seen similar ones also online from Amazon. I'll try and link them in the description down below in case you are interested. Looks like they still have some remaining dishes that you can use for summer, the lemons theme style. I did a video last year with the lemon theme inspired tablescape. Try and link it, the video up on the corner here if you want to watch that one. I did a full-on lemon theme outdoor tablescape. So I'm already seeing bits and pieces of some Halloween stuff and some fall decor here. Like this one, this is a some plates with some haunted house and witch house, but a lot of their shelves right now are a bit empty. I don't know if they're just trying to get rid of their summer stuff slowly and then bringing in the fall and Halloween decor. But on this side of the aisle, it's more visible that they have put out their fall, autumn, and Halloween items on display. So for my outdoor summer patio tablescape, I'm using these blue plates, these squared plates that I purchased from Facebook Market. For the 4 plates, it cost me $20. But I think if you want to purchase the whole set, the 16-piece set, they're available on Amazon, and I believe they're also available in Wayfair. And they're about $250 for the whole 16 set. But these 4 plates, I managed to get them for $20 on Facebook Market. So these are the 222 Fifth Adelaide Blue Dinner Plate, featuring a blue and a white toile pattern inspired by a 1770s design. So this is a simple napkin folding tutorial where I just folded it in a triangle shape and then folded both sides in to create this sort of like a crown effect. So this is just, I don't know, just something I kind of came up with. And so I'm just placing it in on the plate. And I'm also bringing my outdoor cordless lamp because I'm doing a night setting here. So I wanted to bring in some light and some brightness to the table. So for our table this morning, I wanted to use this serving bowl that I got from Dollarama, and it's only $5. And it's a cute little serving bowl that are square shaped, and it comes through the bamboo tray. I wanted to use this for the table to serve some snacks. I also wanted to add this bottle of wine, it's Riesling, to serve to our guests. I also wanted to bring out these cupcakes. It's got these sort of rainbow candied flakes on top, and they also have this adorable cute little decoration on top with the sun wearing shade, and the other one is decorated with the beach sandals. So this afternoon we decided to fire up the grill and do some barbecue. We're barbecuing some maple baby back ribs, also some pork skewers that's with bacon wrapped, and also to the right there some smokies. We are of course going to be dining on our patio today, which I've decorated last night. So this is how it looks. We're going to be plating the food, and I just put away the some of the snacks, and so we're now going to take advantage of this beautiful weather that we're having. It's so nice to finally be able to eat outside. We have been waiting for this warm weather to come around. It's also nice to be surrounded by our little garden out here on our patio, and also listening to some of the natures. We've got some birds, different types of birds in the back there, and they're also perching on our pear tree. They enjoy the pear tree, and we've hung some of the bird seeds there on the left, if you can see there. So yeah, it's just nice during summertime to be able to get a chance to barbecue and eat outdoors. Pork or chicken? Is it pork or chicken?
It's chicken wrapped in pork, wrapped in bacon.
Thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you like watching our channel, we would love it if you stick around and subscribe. Do give us a like if you enjoyed watching home decor, travel, gardening, contents like that. Please stick around for our next video, so we hope to see you all again very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.